USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And below the video, you will find many links. So the first one says get my weekly swing setups, which means that if you want exact trades, which I am interested in every week, I analyze all these 16, 15 pairs every weekend, okay? And then I give the setups which I'm interested in on weekly basis, okay? So if you want to get all those swing setups, these are swing setups. I don't believe in intraday, okay? Anyway, so swing setups, if you want, then check out the first link, join the monthly membership so that you can get the real updates and real trades from me, okay? And then you can join the brokers and join my free Telegram as well. And we'll see you on Telegram too. Now, coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we got, what we got? Okay. So this is your, this was your, So on this candle, I told you this was your new downtrend, and then we have to see this coming week, we will go up probably. We have a Christian cross here right now, you can see. So I call this candle Christian cross. You might be calling this spin bar or whatever something, okay? I call this Christian cross. So yeah, we have to go up. So this week we have to go up because buyers are in control and we have closed above the EMI, okay? But because this previous low is broken, so we have a new low. So this could be a pullback. We might go down, time will tell, but weekly is like too far. But it gives us the signal what could happen the coming week. So we might go up. Coming back to daily time frame, daily we are in the uptrend, but we are exhausted. And I think this is our entry, okay? Because see, normally what happens is when you do the breakout and retest, okay? So breakout has happened. This is your breakout candle, and retest also has happened just here. So it's pretty, everything is all together, okay? Breakout candle, then pullback candle, then retest rejection here. Everything is happened, and then we have another engulfing move here. So all the signals are, just next to each other. So personally, I think we might be exhausted. The uptrend might be exhausted here for the time being, but at the same time, if the trend is super strong, they will go further up. It will not pull back. In normal case scenarios, you have this strong up move, so you have to wait for a pullback and then you go up. But in strong uptrends, the rejection has come, we might directly go up. Okay, so you never guarantee anything in trading. Coming back to 4 hour, we have been this is your breakout. Look for longs. That's it. Okay. Look for longs. Why would I tell you everything for free? So look for longs in USDCAD for now. And if you want the precise entry, everything else which we discussed in the beginning, check out the first link, join the membership, and join this Telegram for free. Join the brokers. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.